step in solving quadratic equation by factoring. First, write the equation in standard form. Second, factor. Factor or factoring. Third, use the zero product property. Fourth, solve each resulting equation. Then check. Solve x squared minus 4x is equal to 12. So, example, solve x squared minus 4x equals 12. So, use additive inverse. X squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 12 minus 12. That to get the general form. So the general form is x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we factoring out. So now then we factor out 6. Then we factor out the x minus 6 and x plus 2. X minus 6 is equal to 0. Then the additive inverse x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. Factoring out x minus 6 and x plus 2. So x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we additive inverse. X minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6 is equal to x is equal to 6. Equal to 0. So the additive inverse x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 negative 0 minus 2. So the answer is x is equal to negative 2. So let's try to check. X squared minus 4x is equal to 12. Let's substitute first 6. 6 squared minus 4 times 6 is equal to 12. Then we simplify, so we get 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. So 12 equals 12 is correct. So x squared minus 4x is equal to 12. We substitute negative 2. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 is equal to 12. Then we get 4 plus 8 equals 12. So 12 equals 12 is correct. Example. Solve that one. X squared minus 4x is equal to 12. Write the equation in standard form. X squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So let's factor out. X minus 6 times x minus 2 is is equal to 0. Use the zero product property. So x minus 6 equal to 0. And use the zero product property, which is x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the x is equal to 6. Another one is x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to -2. Then we check. So x squared minus 4x is equal to 12. We substitute x to 6. 6 squared minus 4 times 6 is equal to 12. So 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to 12. That's correct. Next one is 4 x squared minus 4x equals 12. So use the another one. X is equal to -2. We substitute here. -2 squared minus 4 times -2 equals 12. -2 times by itself is equal to 4 plus -4 times -12 equals 12. So 12 equals 12 is correct. That's the end of my vlog. Hope you learned something new today, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next math tutorial. Bye!